In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the background color in Milanote to customize your board and make it easier to work with. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and open the board you want to customize. Now, all I have to do is super simple. Go to the top right corner where you can see the gear icon, which is going to be the settings. I want you to click the settings. Now here, scroll down until you find appearance. At the bottom, as you can see, not only you have the ability to change the appearance for the interface, you also have the option to change the color scheme, because right now I am using a white. And if you want to change it, just pick the color, which is going to be the dark mode. And the background will apply instantly to your board. Okay, so remember to always choose a high contrast color so your text, notes, and images stay easy to read, especially if your board has a lot of content. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to change background color in Milanote. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.